What's up, everybody? It's time for your favorite game, the over-under game. So it's been a couple of weeks. We've cleaned it out once, as we normally do, and we put that right in here, plus what Kathy just cleaned out. This thing, I'll tell you, was struggling at the end of the Big Bertha, so it is full to the brim. First, let's get this filter clean. I say everyone's favorite game, but really, everyone's favorite thing is not a lot of cheese in there today, but some cheese. We missed you last week, Kathy. Did you miss us?
I was here for this, I think.
Were you? I think you were. All right, a few more. Oh, look at all that coming out of the end. Let's do 3 more. If you love these taps, let me know. All right. Last time I figured out, yeah, you were here, because I figured out there's a lot that hangs. Look at that. It comes right out of that corner. You get up underneath there, it gets in there. And look at that, it's stuck in there. So you can do the finger and then grab it at the end. Oh yeah, it's like stuck up in there. It's like when you get like a corn kernel in your teeth. That was not a good one. This one. So see how it's up in there? It's so tight. If I had like a little screwdriver or some pair of needle nose, I could really get in there. Some of them are better than others, but some of them you grab it just right like that and it comes out. Because it's all up in there. You can't even see it. Oh yeah, look at those. All right. 3 more. I kind of like doing these. These are fun. Oh yeah. 1 more. There's so much I could do. Let's do some long boys. I'll make this a 10-minute video of just filter cleaning. If I did, there'd be a handful of you that would be all about it. See this big boy? This thing is chock full. And again, the over-under, I think 6 pounds is still adequate. Yeah, this is, if you guys could feel it, it is firm. And I said that firm with a big M. A little fluffier there, but still so tight. It is really, oh, and it's hairy too. Oh yeah. I don't know how we got the Big Berthas. We did not do an additional cleaning this week. And that's why it's so tight. Usually we do a cleaning right before the Big Berthas. We don't always show it because, I'll be honest, it's just not that exciting. And we're usually in a hurry, so. Oh, something's rattling around. This is full. This trash can is full. I think it's going to be a hard game. I will say the tips for this week are, we've been busy. What is that thing? I don't know. We've been really busy. So let's see how this thing shakes out, shall we? Let me get this thing wrapped up. I've been kind of going by how full the trash can is lately, or how full the trash bag, how tall it is. This one, I would say, pretty tall, right, Kathy? Oh, it's heavy though. Follow me this way. All right, here we are at the scale. It's all tared out. This one's a tough one, Kathy. It has a lot of weight to it. I think the thing was that it was so dense and packed with like dirt and fiber. I think it's way over 6 pounds. I don't know if we've had anything that heavy to me.
What was our heaviest?
I don't know, 7.7 maybe? It's close. I think it's in the 7s.
It's definitely over 6.
All right, let's see what we got. Oh, right
Whoa.
at 7 pounds. So I knew it was heavy, definitely over 6. I'm gonna tag it 7 pounds. I'm gonna put the date on it, and we're gonna add it to our list.